Well, hello. What I'm going to show you today is my homemade Starfinder device. This is how it looks like, and in a minute I'll explain to you how it works. So basically, if you want to find a star in the sky, you'll need to know the azimuth and the altitude for the star. The azimuth is the horizontal angle to the star, and the altitude is the vertical angle to the star, which is the height it is in the sky. And you can get that from a star chart, or even better, I use a software called Stellarium. It is a free software. You can get it from www.stellarium.com, and it's a great software. It shows you the entire sky from every location on the earth and any given date or time. What you need is the current date and time, and after you find the angles to the star, you'll need to use I'm using the device which has a laser pointer, and I get it to be the correct azimuth and the correct altitude, and then I turn on the laser and it points right to the star that I want to see. I can use here binoculars or a spotting scope or any other device that you prefer to use. So let me explain to you how it is built. So basically, this is the device. It is very simple. Like I said, it's not an industrial precision device, but it's quite accurate. I figured that it's accurate by 2 to 3 degrees, which is enough to find a star that you can see with the naked eye or binoculars. So this is what it's made of. It's made of a wood board. Here in the bottom I have this nut that I use as a tripod mount. These paper clips, fold-up clips, which is attached with the 2 screws. As you can see, it uses to hold the laser pointer, which will eventually point to the star that I want. I use a compass to find the azimuth to the star that I want, and this part here, this is just a 99-cent angle finder. You can get it at the Office Depot or any other store. It sits on an axis that allows free movement of the angle finder as I change the vertical angle of the device. Okay, so let's mount it to the tripod and see how it works. Okay, so this is the device as it looks like. It's mounted on the tripod, and the way to use it is like this. You need to get the bearings for the star that you want to find. That is from the program Stellarium or any other program that you want to use. You will need to set the azimuth, which is the horizontal angle to the star. You do it by using a compass, just like this. Let's say you want an azimuth of 180 degrees. You set it, you turn the tripod on the device until it's showing the direction that you want to use. And now that we're finished with the azimuth, we'll set the altitude, and that we do with this angle finder. You see there's a little mark on the board, and as I change the vertical angle, it shows the angle that I need. Let's set it for 30 degrees altitude, and all you got to do is turn on the laser, and it will point to the star that you want. We'll wait for the nighttime to show you how it looks like, and that's it. So now it's nighttime, and the star I want to find today is Jupiter. I've checked the software Stellarium, and it says I can find Jupiter at an azimuth of 135 degrees, which I've set it here with the help of the compass. You can't quite see it, but it's set to 135 degrees, and I've set the altitude for 28 degrees, and all I've got to do is turn off the light, and turn on the laser. And I don't know if you can see, but the laser is pointing right at Jupiter. So this is it. Thank you guys.